In this demo, we will showcase how Odyssey provides master data management and governance when used in conjunction with an SAP ERP system. This end-to-end process allows the maker to start the authorization workflow by entering and verifying the data. Then the checker gets a chance to review information before it's published. Let's now see this process in the context of Odyssey and the SAP system. First, we log into Odyssey as the maker. Odyssey is a browser-based application. The customizable dashboard is used to interact with the various apps and workflows. The inbox shows requests that need the attention of the user in the form of data entry, approvals, or just as an FYI. Once requests are deemed to be complete, they move into the past items section. To start, the maker will click on the SAP Material Management app to create a new item. The application provides the maker with a simple data entry form to enter in all of the details of the new material, and also provides the capability to check if they are creating a duplicate entry. The maker can also scroll down and check the real-time list of materials. All of the data seen on the form is fetched directly from the SAP server. Entering in the item into the search field will show if the material already exists in the system or not. Now we are switching to the SAP application to check the last material number created. The new material created will be the next serial number in the sequence. We can easily verify 500-65660 is already taken and 500-65661 is available to use for the new material we are creating. The maker will then input all other required fields in the Odyssey application, including material group, weight, unit of measure, and any additional comments they'd like to include in the item of record. After the fields are completed, the maker will click the Submit the Request button to add the new material Nivea Face Wash. Then an automated notification email will deploy when adding the new material. Now we will log in as the checker role. As you can see, the checker's dashboard is similar to the previous user, but includes a different set of apps and rights to perform approvals. If we scroll down to the inbox, we will see the request to add the new material Nivea Face Wash. The checker can cross-check if the material already exists in SAP from the real-time list of materials below. If the request is unique and the checker approves it, then the material information is inserted into SAP automatically. The original request will be processed after the approval is granted and will be moved into the past items section of the checker's dashboard. Then an automated email notification is received confirming that the material has been added. To verify that the material has been added to SAP, we can go ahead and copy the new material number created and log on to the SAP system. We can scroll through the record to verify that the material was created with all of the correct details. As we can see, the material in SAP shows the same data we filled out in the approved Odyssey form. Next, let's look at a scenario where an update is being made to a material item. First, we'll log into Odyssey as the maker role. Let's go ahead and launch the SAP Material Management app to modify material 500-65661 that we created earlier on in this demo. Scrolling down to the materials list, we can choose the item we need to edit by selecting the edit pencil icon to the left. The material information is then automatically fetched and filled into the form. We can see the original data is shown on the right, with the option to modify the proposed values on the left. We can then click into any field to adjust and update the information as needed. Once the changes are made, the request is submitted for approval and the automated email notification with the update is received. We can now log back into Odyssey as the checker role, where we will see the request for update approval appear in our inbox. After reviewing the changes, the request can be further edited or approved as needed. The checker can compare against the original value shown on the right and click the button to process the approval when they're ready. The update material request will then move into the past items archive in the dashboard, and an automated confirmation email is deployed once the successful update has been completed. Finally, we can go ahead and open up SAP and verify if the updates we just made are reflected properly in the system. Thank you for watching our Master Data Management demo. Please contact us today to learn more on how Odyssey can support your organization's needs.